So the last example for this set of this set of notes deals with the area of a circle. Okay, I started to say that you just needed to have the formula for the circle, the area of the circle memorized, but you don't. They have it written out verbally right here. It says that the area of the circle is related to the radius, and then here they're explaining to you how you're going to use the radius. It says that it is the product, that's multiply. We're going to multiply the square of the radius. So that means r squared. And what are we going to multiply r squared by? The number pi. And they're telling us that r squared times the number pi will give us the area. And it says write and evaluate an expression. That's the only reason why I'm not going to put a equals, because if I write a equals, I'm going to have an equation and they ask me for an expression, so I'm just going to leave the a off. And I am going to substitute the two values in for r and for pi. Now be careful, pi is not a variable. It is a known number. We use the symbol pi because 3.14 is not the exact value. You guys know that the decimals on pi continue forever, but we often use this abbreviated value. So we're going to look down here and find out that the radius for this piece of pizza is 7, or for this pizza is 7 inches. So I'm going to say 7 squared times 3.14, and that's going to give me 153.86 square inches for the area of that pizza. Then down here, it asks you to write with a neighbor, write an algebraic expression, and then share it with the people around you. So I can write an algebraic expression. Let's say my age plus my neighbor's age. Now, I don't know how old my neighbor is, but that's an algebraic expression that I could write. My age plus my neighbor's age. Write with the neighbor, create a verbal expression. So they just want you to write it as a sentence. Okay, so I guess I could do the same thing. My age, oh my goodness, they changed that to a oval. My age, which is 57, plus my neighbor, my neighbor's age, comma, X. So that just says that I'm telling you that my age is 57 plus my neighbor's age, and I'm going to tell you what variable to use for my neighbor. Okay, that ends the lesson. In case you didn't get it all, now you can go back and fill in your notes. I hope that helps.